Hello, today you will learn about Question 1. Discuss any one of the following general categories of an agent. First, simple reflex agents. Second, model based agents. Third, goal based agents. Fourth, utility based agents.
First, simple reflex agents. Basic agents with condition action rules, reacting solely to the current percept. Characteristics: reactive, limited capability. Example, thermostat in a heating system. Second, model-based agents. Maintain an internal model, considering both current and historical percepts for decision-making. Characteristics: model of the world, planning, adaptability. Example, chess-playing programs. Third, goal-based agents. Explicitly define goals, assess current states, and take actions to move closer to objectives. Characteristics: goal formulation, planning, evaluation. Example, vacuum cleaner robot with a cleaning goal. Fourth, utility-based agents. Make decisions based on maximizing overall utility, considering desirability and trade-offs. Characteristics: utility function, decision-making, handling conflicting goals. Example, autonomous car navigating through traffic.
Question 2. How agents are different from intelligent agents? Briefly discuss the role and utility of agents in artificial intelligence.
Answer: Agents. Agents in AI are entities capable of perceiving their environment, making decisions, and taking actions to achieve goals. They vary from rule-based systems to those with learning capabilities. Generally, an agent perceives through sensors and acts on its environment through effectors. Intelligent agents, with high autonomy, adaptability, and learning capabilities, mimic human-like decision-making. They employ reasoning, problem-solving, and planning mechanisms, surpassing basic agents' sophistication. Tailored for dynamic and uncertain environments, intelligent agents excel in a broad range of tasks. Role and utility of agents in artificial intelligence. First, problem-solving. Agents in artificial intelligence are used for problem-solving tasks. They can analyze a given situation, identify goals, and generate plans or strategies to achieve those goals. Second, automation. Agents play a crucial role in automation. They can automate routine and repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work. Third, decision-making. Intelligent agents, in particular, are designed for decision-making. They can evaluate different options, consider uncertainties, and make informed decisions based on predefined criteria or learned patterns. Fourth, learning and adaptation. Intelligent agents utilize machine learning to learn and enhance performance by adapting to feedback from the environment over time. Fifth, information retrieval. Agents aid information retrieval, gathering relevant data from diverse sources to enhance decision-making.